Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. Today we've got some great new ideas for you. First of all, we really need to talk about just what do we do. Well, we are an aluminum extruder fabricator. This is a chunk of the billet. We shoot this out. We shoot out about 4 million pounds of this a year. This gets heated up to about 1100 degrees, and that allows us to make things like these tubes that you see over here. What we have right here on the bottom, and this is a dunnage rack with tube frames on the bottom of it. And we extrude that, and we allow 8 inches of leg. So that way, if you want to stand on it, we also have a perforated solid sheet of aluminum with some very little aggression on here. This was our first generation of this type of product. Since then, and these are still available, but since then we've come up with some better ideas. Right now, I want to show you our smaller little version. And this is designed so it's only 1 inch thick, and it's got a handle so you can carry it. It's designed so when you're in the workplace, if you have wet fluids and juices underneath there, like in a meat or food processing plant, and you don't want to have your feet in there and you're sliding around, you can set this down, stand on here, and you won't go anywhere. And this is more of a safety device here. You can pick it up when you're done. If it becomes property that you're going to carry and use every week, you can take it back and put it in your locker room. We do have different sizes. This is a 1 inch, like I said. We also have a 2 inch, a 4 inch, a 6 inch, and an 8 inch high. Now the 8 inch high is going to replicate what you see right there. We have angle legs on here with cutouts in the corners. We have that same grip handle so you can carry it. And this you can put down, you can step up, and you can get 8 inches higher on that. But you can see that you can have all these different elevations. The goal is to make the workforce safer, happier, easier to work in, more comfortable, ergonomic with their hands and arms, so when they're working and cutting products or dealing with products, they've got it available. Hopefully these ideas will help you in your business and what you do each day, and will save your employees work efforts. But please email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or visit us online at newageindustrial.com. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you being here today.